Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can sign up on Chase mobile app. So let's jump right in. Open up the Chase mobile app on your mobile device. On the very first screen, you'll see two main options at the top, one for fingerprint recognition and the other for entering a password. Just below those, there are three more options: sign up, open an account, and privacy. Go ahead and tap on sign up to get started. Now you'll be asked to enter a few personal details. One of the first things it asks is what type of account you want to set up. You'll see three choices: personal, business, or a combination of both. For this tutorial, choose the personal account option. Next, enter your debit or credit card number in the space provided. After that, you may be asked to enter your social security number. If you don't have one, tap on the blue text that says, "Don't have a social security number," to skip that part. However, you will still need to provide your date of birth. After that, create a username, something that's easy to remember but secure enough to protect your account. Once all the fields are filled out, tap on the next button. At this stage, the app may prompt you to verify your identity. This could involve uploading an ID or confirming some personal details. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Once you've completed the verification process, your Chase mobile account will be successfully set up, and you'll be ready to access all its features.